A marking gauge is used to mark a line parallel to the edge of the wood. Marking gauges have many shapes and variations. Marking gauges have four main parts: the stock, the spur, the thumb screw and the stem. Put your thumb underneath the stock and loosen the thumb screw so the stock is able to slide up and down. Now rest the steel rule on top of the stock and place it next to the tip of the spur. Slide the stock up or down using your thumb until it is at the required measurement. Once your rule is at the required measurement, tighten the thumb screw. It is likely that you will need to make small adjustments to get your measurement exact. You can make small adjustments by tapping the stem. If your measurement is too small, tap the bottom of the stem against the bench. If it is too big, tap the top of your stem against your bench. Check the measurement after every tap until it is accurate. Press your stock against the wood. Now rotate your stock around until the spur is lightly touching the wood. Place your other hand on top of the stem and lightly drag the gauge along the wood edge between your lines. Mark your waste wood with diagonal lines.